Hello, my name is Abdul Momin and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a public health professional. I have a PhD in food and nutrition and a post-graduation in public health. I'm currently working as assistant professor at a university and also working as consultant dietitian right now along with that. For more information about myself, you can also read in the description box below. I've been associated with teaching, research, and academia for last 7 years or so. So I have just made this particular YouTube channel, which will be focused on nutrition, public health, and weight loss and other associated issues. So basically, if you are watching this video for the very first time, I warmly welcome all of you. The major objectives for making this particular YouTube channel are number one, to create awareness among general public regarding their food, nutrition, diet, and all the related things. Number two, in a developing country like Pakistan, there are quite a few myths prevailing regarding what to eat, regarding what not to eat, then eating in particular seasons and stuff like that. So another major objective to make this channel is to clarify all those myths, because food is something which is very, very essential and important to all of us. For example, if you don't know about IT or technology or computers, probably the survival would not be very much difficult these days. But if you do not know about the food, about what we are going to eat and what should we eat and how much should we eat, then definitely our health or the quality of life will be badly affected. The third objective to make this channel was to really focus on prevention. As we know that prevention is better than cure, but in a developing country like Pakistan, unfortunately our healthcare model is primarily curative based or treatment based rather than prevention. So I intend to highlight those preventive strategies which can really prevent the diseases instead of treating them, whether it is primary prevention or secondary prevention or tertiary prevention. So for example, in the current era, we are definitely facing the pandemic of coronavirus all across the globe, irrespective of wherever you are. I think there is no better time to highlight the importance of prevention than this particular era. And number four, down the line, I also intend to teach the university students specifically some of the software programs which are very important in their academic and university life, such as, starting from the very basic ones like PowerPoint and MS Word, to the most complex ones such as statistical software programs, which include SPSS or Minitab, or maybe referencing software such as EndNote. So these are the 3-4 major objectives to make this particular channel. I have planned a lot of informative content regarding nutrition, regarding prevention, regarding weight loss, associated issues like detoxification and medical nutrition therapies in case of different diseases. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the important content. Do like my video and also let me know through your comments if you have found this particular content interesting and engaging, and most importantly, share this video with others so that maximum people can get benefit from my nutrition, public health related knowledge and content in the coming days. Keep watching, keep sharing my videos. I'll be bringing much more content for you in the coming days. Until next time, it's bye bye from my side.